What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix there was a problem connecting to OneDrive. Now we'll be providing a 3-step solution. Step 1, network and proxy verification. First you need to check your internet stability. Ensure your internet is working fine by using fast.com to check your internet speed, just to check if your network is working. And then of course you want to make sure you disable VPN or proxy blocks. VPNs have a way of restricting your access to files even after setting them up previously. So try to turn off your VPN server and then try again. Step 2 is to restart and relink your account. Go ahead and try to restart OneDrive by looking for the OneDrive icon in the system tray, right click on it and then click Close Drive or Quit Drive. After doing that, you could try to launch it again from the Windows Start menu. Of course, if you'd like to try unlinking your PC, you can go over to the OneDrive settings, navigate to the Account tab, and then click Unlink this PC. Once you get to unlink your PC, you can try to sign back in with your credentials to refresh the security token. And as our last step, you could try to reset the application. Clear the corrupt configurations. It's a great way to try resolving the issue. So on your keyboard, you want to press on the Windows plus the R key to open the Run dialog box. Then of course you could go ahead and paste in the command as seen on the screen and then press enter. After doing that, you need to allow a few minutes for OneDrive to reappear in your system tray. If this doesn't reappear, you can restart your computer and try to open it from your start menu. We hope that these options will work out for you in solving the problem of connecting to OneDrive.